Welcome to Magic English Story, where real-life journeys teach you powerful life lessons and help improve your English. Today's story is about a man who was rejected again and again. A man who failed exams, got turned down for jobs, and faced countless no's. Yet he never gave up. That man is Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba and one of the richest men in China. Let's begin his story. From a small town to the world stage, Jack Ma was born on September 10, 1964, in Hangzhou, China. His real name is Ma Yun. He grew up in a poor family. His parents were traditional musicians and didn't earn much. Jack wasn't a strong child. He often got into fights and was very small and thin compared to others. But he had one big strength: curiosity. When he was just a boy, China opened up to the world. Tourists began visiting Hangzhou. Young Jack would go to the hotels near Westlake and offer to guide foreign tourists for free, just so he could practice English. He did this every morning on his bicycle for 9 years. One tourist from Australia became his pen pal and gave him the nickname Jack. That's how Ma Yun became Jack Ma. Jack Ma wasn't a good student. In fact, he failed his exams many times. He failed his primary school exams twice. He failed middle school exams 3 times. He even failed the Chinese university entrance exam 2 times. Math was especially difficult for him, but Jack didn't give up. On the 3rd try, he passed and got into Hangzhou Normal University, where he studied English. Even after graduating, life didn't get easier. Jack applied for 30 different jobs and got rejected by all of them. Even KFC came to Hangzhou. Jack said 24 people went for the job. 23 got it. I was the only one rejected. He also applied to the police force. 5 people applied, 4 were accepted. Jack was the only one rejected. They said I was not good-looking enough. He laughed later. Jack even applied to Harvard University 10 times and was rejected every time. Eventually, Jack became an English teacher at a local university. He earned only $12 a month, but he loved teaching. His students respected him. He had no car, no money, just hope and ideas. But everything changed in 1995. When he visited the United States, Jack went to the US to help a Chinese company with a business dispute. While there, he used a computer and the internet. For the first time, he searched for beer on Yahoo. He saw results from all over the world, but nothing from China. Then he searched China, and again, almost nothing. At that moment, he had an idea. The internet is going to change the world. China must be part of it, and I want to help. He returned home and started a company called China Pages, one of China's first internet companies. But it failed. Still, Jack didn't stop. In 1999, Jack invited 17 friends to his apartment in Hangzhou. He told them about a new idea: an online marketplace where businesses could sell products to other businesses, both in China and globally. He called it Alibaba, a name everyone in the world would recognize and remember. With $60,000 raised from his friends, Jack and his team started building the website, but it wasn't easy. The internet was new in China. People didn't trust online payments. Jack didn't know much about technology. He didn't even know how to code. Still, he believed in one thing: if you don't give up, you still have a chance. Jack Ma wasn't like other CEOs. He believed in teamwork over ego. He said, customers first, employees second, shareholders third. He didn't worry about being the smartest. He said, I always hire people who are smarter than me. He built Alibaba with a simple idea: help small businesses grow. Soon, Alibaba became successful. Then came another challenge. eBay entered China. Everyone thought Alibaba would die. But Jack launched Taobao, a free platform where Chinese people could sell directly to each other. He didn't charge sellers and used fun marketing. Slowly, Taobao crushed eBay in China. Alibaba grew fast. In 2014, it launched an IPO, initial public offering, on the New York Stock Exchange, the biggest in history at that time, raising $25 billion. Jack Ma became China's richest man, from a teacher earning $12 a month to a billionaire worth over $40 billion. But success didn't change Jack's heart. Jack Ma believes in giving back. He created the Jack Ma Foundation to improve education, environment, and health. He often speaks about failure, hard work, and kindness. Some of his best quotes include, "Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine." If you want to be successful, learn from the mistakes of others. Your attitude is more important than your capabilities. In 2019, on his 55th birthday, Jack Ma stepped down as the chairman of Alibaba. He said he wanted to return to education, his first love. I'll retire earlier than Bill Gates, he joked, because I want to die on a beach, not in an office. Even after retirement, Jack remains a symbol of hope and persistence, especially in China and the developing world. Jack Ma's story teaches us many lessons. Failure is not the end. Jack failed in school, in business, and job applications. But he never quit. Believe in yourself. No one believed in Jack's ideas, not even his friends. But he followed his dream. Learn from others. Jack always listened to smarter people and built strong teams. Stay humble, even with billions. Jack remained kind and grounded. Help others grow. Alibaba's mission was to empower small businesses, not just make money. Jack Ma started with nothing, no money, no connections, not even good grades. But he had belief, vision, and persistence. His journey shows us success doesn't come from being the best, it comes from never giving up. So the next time someone tells you you can't do it, remember Jack Ma and keep moving forward. Thanks for watching Magic English Story, where real stories build your dreams and your English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from around the world.